In today's video, we're going to make delicious pan-fried king prawns with garlic, chili and ginger. And then we're going to serve that with toasted ciabatta. This is absolutely the perfect lunch and this is how you do it. We'll begin by prepping the prawns. We need to start by removing the shells, so we'll put our thumb underneath and then just work our way around until the shell comes right off, right down to the tail, and then we'll break it off. We want to keep the tails on because they create a lovely natural handle to hold onto when we want to eat them. Now the next part is not as pleasant, but we need to devein these prawns because it's not very nice to eat. We're basically removing their waste pipe from the prawn. So what we do is take a knife and cut about 1 to 2 millimeters into the back of the prawn, and then you can use the tip of the knife just to lift it out and it should pull straight out. What I like to do is have a bowl of clean cold water there just to give the prawns a little rinse in afterwards to make sure we've washed out all of that dirt. Now the prawns are ready to cook, we need to prepare the rest of the ingredients. So we'll start with the chili. What we want to do here is finely slice it. Now it's up to you if you want to remove the seeds or not. Obviously if you leave the seeds in, it will be a bit hotter. And then we'll move on to the garlic. We've got 2 cloves of garlic and you want to remove the skins and thinly slice them as well. And then we move on to 15 grams of ginger. We just need to peel that and chop that as finely as you can. Also, before we start cooking, you'll need 15 grams of freshly chopped parsley, salt and pepper, olive oil, 20 grams of butter, 1 lemon and 8 slices of ciabatta. For the ciabatta, all you need to do is take the slices and lightly drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil and sprinkle them with some sea salt. We're going to toast them in a hot pan. Place 2 frying pans over medium-high heat. One of them is to cook your prawns and one of them is to toast your ciabatta. For the pan for the prawns, make sure it's hot and then add in about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And then go straight in with your king prawns, followed by the ginger, the garlic and the chili. And we need to cook that for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn the heat down low and add in 20 grams of butter. And then the handful of chopped parsley. Mix everything together and take off the heat. For the ciabatta, simply place it in the other hot pan and toast it on each side until golden. Season your prawns with salt and pepper before serving, and then maybe another squeeze of lemon juice if you think it needs it. To serve, simply pile up your ciabatta onto the plate and then spoon over those prawns along with the butter and all of the other ingredients in the pan. That's all there is to it. So that's how to make a very simple king prawns with garlic, chili and ginger, and you know what, it's absolutely delicious. It's simplicity at its best. I hope you give it a go for yourself. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.